Test 7 checks if the Start New Game button works properly. And by that, I mean, does the Start New Game button prompt every single statistic and every single value that was set to be reset to its default value? And all I need to test is if that works. So it basically has the same effect of closing the program and restarting it again. So if I log in to test 1's account, start a new game, and then I'll just die once this shield is deactivated. I'll start a new game. So at this point, the coin count and the distance count reset because I had 14 coins and now I'm at 0. So the player statistics have been reset, which is good. I now need to check if the effect of obstacles is still being carried on when the players die. So right now, I've just died, but if you rewind it, you'll see that I hit an iceberg, and the iceberg temporarily slows you down for about 3 seconds. And I hit an iceberg, then I immediately hit an icicle. So I only had about 1 second of activation of that iceberg, which means I'd have 2 seconds left. But if I start a new game, those 2 seconds should disappear now. It should be like a fresh start, as if I've just reopened the program and I've got no obstacles still having an effect on the gameplay. But if I restart the game and I start a new one, I'm still quite slow. The the iceberg is still having a little bit of an effect on me. And also, you would have seen an icicle shoot out at the top, even though this is the street level and I should only have cars and birds. So an issue with the start new game button is the effects of obstacles and probably the power-ups as well are still having an effect on gameplay, even when the user's starting a new game. And also, there's always one old obstacle from an old level that's still being processed and still being dragged onto the screen when they should have been reset. So the test so far doesn't pass.